Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python keywords and or not. So first of all, we'll understand what are keywords in Python. So keywords are special words or reserved words with predefined meaning and predefined usage or operation in a Python program. So all keywords are in lowercase and keyword or keyword not, all are in lowercase. Right. So coming to and it is used to perform logical AND operation, which is multi-condition checking. Example, A and B. So if both the conditions A and B are true, then only it is true. If any one condition is false, then it is false. Next, OR. It is used to perform logical OR operation, which is multi-condition checking. Example, A or B. So here, if any one condition A or B is true, then it is true. Any one of them is true. If both are true, then also it is true. But if both are false, then it is false. Coming to not. So not is used to perform logical not operation. Example, not of A. So if A is true, not of A is false. Similarly, if A is false, then not of A is true. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python keywords example2.py. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So let us start with AND keyword. So I'm taking A true, B true. So print A and B. So true and true, answer should be true. So execute till here. Save the program in your working directory. Come to the command prompt where you have saved the program and run Python keywords example2.py. Okay, right. So put proper comments here. So we have, put the proper comment for the line 7 and run. So true and true is true. So here if A or B, any one of them is false, then it is false. Okay, right. So let us check for OR. So OR, if any one of them is true, it is true. So I'm taking A true, B, I'll take it as false. Okay, and we can use the combination of true false. Okay, right. So true or false. If any one of them is true, at least one of them is true, then it is true. So save it and run. Answer is true. So next, A true, not of true, answer is false. Okay, not of true, false. So if A is false, then not of false, answer is true. So this is how we are supposed to work with Python keywords and or not. So these three keywords are operators in Python which are mainly used for condition checking. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.